Hey everyone, so here is Crush app. So yeah, it's not a dating app, but it helps you to analyze your followers and track analytics for your social media accounts. So to install it, just tap Get. Um, and then just confirm with your Touch ID. So yeah, you can view, analyze your followers, view your post insights, analytics of your stories, posts, and all of that. And then but okay, it is a dating app, but it is done through the like analytics of social media, so it's like pretty smart. So if for example this app notices some engagement or a lot of activity from some user on your social media profile, seems you will be notified and you will be seeing like, hey, this profile has a crush on you. You will see notification if someone blocked you or someone unfollowed you, who watches your stories the most, and then you can just log in with Instagram. So super interesting idea, and I will create a separate video how to create an account with Instagram here.